We're going to talk about this question. I want to become an agent. How do I find the best broker for me? We're going to talk about this. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I've been in this business for 20 years, been very successful. I've done at least 3,000 transactions, but I would have been a lot better if I would have found my niche early on. These are some of the things you need to do before going out there and finding that ideal brokerage for you. It's not an easy task. You got to take your time. You got to create your business plan, but everything starts with understanding all the different branches of real estate. That's the first one. I like better working with investors or working with primary buyers. Am I better with sellers? These are some of the questions that you gotta ask yourself because there's a lot of branches in real estate. Guys, why is this important? This is not a race, this is a marathon. It's a very challenging career. There's a lot of competition, and the only way that you're gonna do very well is if you love it. So you gotta match it with the things you like doing. You like vacationing, maybe you do vacation homes. You like investing, then you deal with investors. Find something that you really, really love and you enjoy, and then the ups and downs will not matter because you won't stop until you make it. All right, guys, you need to be laser focused when it comes to your niche. Even just to give you an example, you're only gonna work on corporate rentals for nurses. Before you find that brokerage, you gotta find yourself. What are the things you like doing? What is that niche that you're gonna do long term? And then find a brokerage that's killing it with that niche. And as always, if you like the videos, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We're here for you, and we're brokerage. So we're here to help you. If you're interested in becoming an agent, we will help you find your niche. This is Jorge at Graystone Investment Group, where you invest and we do the rest. Thank you.